Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the Ncell SIM in. Start by opening settings right away. Once done, go to the SIM or About Phone area to fetch network details. This can show the number assigned to that SIM. If settings doesn't display it, make a quick test call to another handset or ask a friend to call you now. Make sure mobile service is active and signal bars are visible. Weak signal sometimes prevents number display. Next, use the My Ncell app. Log in with the SIM's number or OTP. The app lists your active number. If you prefer device tools, go to Settings then Status or SIM Status. Android often labels it My Number. Read it carefully. Alternatively, place a quick call to the other phone you prepared. Their caller ID will display your number instantly. Once you see the number, note it down and make sure to save it to contacts for future reference. Finish by saving the number into contacts and take a screenshot so you won't forget it. If the number field is blank, restart the phone and power cycle the SIM, remove and reinsert it, then retry settings or the My Ncell app. Network registration can take a moment. If problems persist, contact Ncell customer support with your SIM ICSID or proof of purchase. They can verify and activate the number. Remember, a quick reboot resolves most display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.